Hello everyone, this is Tamara, and I'm here to show you more techniques using Pixel Spreadsheet. If you do not have the program, go to mediacomputation.org to download it for free. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to change the color of a photo. If you are confused as to what to do, please watch my introductory video at this link. Open up Pixel Spreadsheet and insert your picture. Go on with the procedure of creating and saving the spreadsheet. Now open Microsoft Excel and take a look at the RGB value columns. These numbers range from 0 to 255, and each row contains the information for one individual pixel. What we are going to do is change around the columns. I will do it this way, but on your spreadsheet, you change around the columns in any way you want. Once you have changed the columns around, save the spreadsheet under a different name. Now go back to Pixel Spreadsheet and open up your spreadsheet through the program. Click the Spreadsheet to Image button and see the result. It should be a primarily red, green, or blue picture depending on how you switch the columns. For our second technique, we will make the picture grayscale. This is a little more complicated, so pay close attention. Click on an empty cell, then go up and press the F of X button here. A pop-up screen will prompt you to choose what mathematical function you want it to perform. Click Average. The reason we pick average is because the values of the red, green, and blue colors of a pixel have to be equal to one another to be a shade of gray. The higher the number, the lighter of shade of gray will be, and the lower the number, the darker the shade will be. Type in C2, E2, since those are the cells that contain the numbers we want calculated. Then click OK. This is for only one cell, so you must spread the formula to the rest of the cells. The quickest way to do this is by clicking the first cell, scrolling down to the bottom, then hold Shift, then click on the last cell of the column. It will select everything in between. Then go to the right and click Fill, then click down. Then the formula will be distributed to the rest of the cells. Once that is done, select the whole column again, right-click and press Format Cells. Press Number in the column and change the decimal place to 0. Otherwise, the image will have black splotches over it. Press OK, then copy the column into another empty one. Copy that column into the red, green, and blue columns like this. Erase the two columns and save the spreadsheet under a different name. Open and press Spreadsheet to Image to see your new grayscale image. This is Tamara, and next time I will show you more techniques using Pixel Spreadsheet.